Boys and girls, we are back! And today, we are in the Screaming Woods. Daring Woods, aka the Screaming Woods, is located by the village of Pluckley, which is in the Guinness Book of Records as the most haunted village in Britain. Some of the apparitions reported in this location are the ghost of a gypsy woman who drowned in a stream, the hanging body of a schoolmaster, and the Lady of Rose Court, who is said to have poisoned herself. Okay, wait, here we go. Cameraman, welcome to Daring Wood. We are officially in the perimeter.
What is that?
Ooh,
look.
Mate, warning. These premises are protected by Kent security dogs. Right.
Security dogs.
Right. Like right now, even just looking like, oh my God. I don't know if we're gonna do this.
Wait, we're from Seaford.
We're from Seaford, mate.
We're from Seaford.
We are from Seaford. Oh, right, let's just fucking do this, right? We're hard. We're hard. We're gonna do this, and we're gonna make a sick video. On the morning of November 1st, 1948, 20 people were found dead in the woods, 11 of whom were children. The bodies were forming a massive pile of human flesh as they were lined up next to one another. None of the bodies had any wounds, and the autopsies couldn't determine the cause of the deaths, so after a few weeks the local authorities quickly ended the investigation, stating that the cause was carbon monoxide poisoning. This behaviour raised many questions, and to this day, it still remains a mystery. You got everything?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Really
wait, look at that. Go home. Now, before anything, 3, 2, 1. Hello?
Whoa, don't do that to me, don't do that
There's
to me.
There's a fucking bee, man.
Nah, I'm good.
There's everywhere we fucking go, there's these bees, bro. I don't know if I can handle this. This is shit. And I bet everyone watching at home is just like, what the fuck are we doing?
Yeah,
like, what are we actually doing? Almost exactly 50 years later, on October 1st, 1998, 4 college students who were visiting the forest went missing after people of Pluckley reported seeing figures of light similar to spider webs in the sky. Their bodies were never found, and after 3 weeks the police investigation was cancelled. What the f, boys and girls? Right, I don't want to go to this place. Alright, so boys and girls, we are gonna play basically a game of hide and seek in this forest. We're gonna split into 2 teams, me and Luke the cameraman, and Theo and Dan the cameraman. Right? Oh my God. Mate, I actually don't know why I can't hack this. So, me and Luke are hiding first, and the rules are basically like this. The team hiding have 10 minutes to find their hiding spot. The team seeking then have 20 minutes to find them. If the team seeking hasn't found them within that time, then the team hiding has 10 minutes to make it back to base without the team seeking intercepting them. If they do it successfully, the team seeking must spend 1 hour in the haunted forest alone. 3, 2, 1, boop. Alright, so me and Luke now have 10 minutes to get into place. Let's fucking go. Stay safe, yeah? Stay safe. Like, honestly, I want to see you come back again. Oh shit, right, okay, I'm bottling myself. Should we go up there? Yeah. Okay.
Oh, Joe's gonna go deep in, I know for a fact he is. How are we even gonna find him? It's pitch black.
Alright, boys and girls. If there are any spirits of any kind that can hear my voice right now, make a scream. Oh, fucking hell, mate. What the fuck are we doing, bruv? Now, the Screaming Woods are said to be haunted by the ghosts of the people that get lost in them. In particular, the locals mention an army colonel of the 18th century and a highwayman who was captured by the villagers, pinned to a tree and beheaded. Many of the nearby villagers swear to have seen black shadows following them when they were travelling across the forest. Mate, I think we've got to go in off this track in order to hide from them like properly. Oh my god, this is hell. This is hell. I am sorry, but how fucked does this look? Hello? It's been 4 minutes. Alright, we've still got time. Oh my god. Mate, think, we've lost all our bearings by now. We have no idea where the fuck we are. Oh god. I think we just need to set up camp here. Imagine like that turns out to be a freaking grave of someone. Like, just imagine. Oh god. Alright, so boys and girls, it has now been 10 minutes and Theo and Dan are now going to be coming down to hunt us. So we have got to turn our light off pretty good. Right, that is what you want. 3, 2. Oh my fuck, man. I don't want to make, I don't want, like, what the fuck are we doing?
How the hell are we going to find them? What do you reckon, Dan? Do you reckon
I reckon we got just go in.
Go in?
Where's the perimeter?
Oh! Mate, how are we going to cover all this area?
Keep moving.
Yeah.
Right, we believe that they are heading down that path. Oh my god, it's them. Is that them?
Alright, we can't stand, we can't stay still. We cannot stay still. Okay, and by the way, southwest. Shh. What? Do you reckon they're over it?
That.
Look, they are literally directly ahead of us. They are so, oh my, mate, surely we're busted.
Wait.
What? You're freaking me out, Dan. You're really
100%.
You're really freaking me out. I vote perimeter.
No. I heard footsteps over there. Shh.
Mate, I think they've turned round. You can literally, mate, oh my god. Fucking numbskulls.
Shh. Wait.
Oh! One of them fucking bees, Dan. Evacuate the dance floor.
How have they not seen us? But just think, mate, what else is watching us right now? Oh, mate. Like, that is literally the worst thing to think about, innit? That is the worst.
Something could be standing behind us right now.
Yeah. Oh, don't, mate. Just don't.
I don't have a clue where we are, mate.
Are we fucking lost? Oh, wait, look. Dan. Do you see a torch? I see a torch. I fucking see a torch. I see a torch. Yeah, I see a torch. I'm not even joking.
How much longer have we got?
Yeah.
Let me have a look at the phone.
Oh, shit. They're coming back.
Oh my god.
That's them.
Is that my fucking car? Is that my fucking car?
That's them.
Oh my
It's
god.
fucking them,
We
yes!
fucking found you. We have got you.
Wait, but boys, is that my car?
We have got you.
Boys,
Oh no.
is that my car?
Nah.
Wait,
not
it's going
your
off
car.
again. Are you sure my car is not getting broken into right now?
Look, we found you so we can go back.
Well, yeah, it's on. Yeah, we can. Oh my god, you found us, for fuck's sake. We lost.
Wait, did one of you flash a torch just now?
No.
It might be the back of this.
No, I know what it is.
What?
I've shined my torch
Yeah.
at your camera lens.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, and it's reflected.
I've got so
Oh
lucky.
my
I was
God.
literally doing that and
They literally just broke into my car and stolen it. Like, no joke, they has just skirted off.
They can't drive it without your keys, they won't start.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe they just know how to do it, I don't know. Mate, imagine that, we're just fucking stranded in this haunted forest.
Your car's not been stolen.
Wait, can we just like, we
What?
found you?
What was a fucking...
You actually did.
We did find you.
You found us, like, congrats, like, well within the time as well.
You got on the ground and like...
Mate, we've literally been down here, like, in this bunker.
Have you been watching us?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've literally been, like, mugging you off, like, just, you're literally right there the whole time.
We're really close to you?
Yeah, the whole time.
Really?
Yeah. And we were just like, gee, fucking numbskulls. Oh.
We've got so lucky.
Oh yeah, shit, we need to check my car. Has it been stolen?
Okay, wait, just think about this logically.
Yeah.
Your car doesn't start without a key inside it.
Yeah, my car.
every car.
My car.
No, as in, no.
Right. Bottom line is, my car's late. Alright, so we have made it out alive from the first round. And now, boys and girls, it is officially our turn to do the searching. 3, 2, 1, Bob. Alright. See you later, Theo. Alright then. Now, boys and girls, if you do want to see more exploring vids, make sure to let us know. If you can make this video hit 200,000 likes, we'll get straight back on it again. And if you want to see other YouTubers involved, comment down below who you want and let's make it happen. Alright, come on.
Dan? Yeah. You okay?
Yeah. If we turn our lights off and walk up to the edge, hide there. I don't know.
Alright, so we've got 10 seconds. Okay. Are you ready to do this, Luke?
Let's go.
We begin now. Theo! We're coming! I think that's what we do, mate. We try and make him laugh so that he just gives up his location that way.
It's almost like smoking him out.
Yeah, we're smoking him. Little smoker.
Woogie boogie boogers! Don't mess with us! We'll put you in the dustbins!
If any spirits can hear me right now, please make a noise.
I don't like this. It's mad. They could just be someone standing behind us. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. The tree is protecting us.
Right, we've seen you, boys. Ha ha ha! We've got you, and you have fucked it. Theo Pathetus. What are you laughing at?
The guy from Dragon's Den.
Dunno. Yeah, it just is. Right, I've got a feeling. Like, go round here, down here. I've got a spidey sense when it comes to Theo. Oh, I've just seen him. Point straight ahead.
Wait, what? Wait, didn't see.
No, I don't know what the fuck I just saw then, because I swear, Theo. Wait, where the fuck are they? Because what I just saw straight ahead then, I swear, just looked like a fucking human skull. Nah, fuck this. Oi, Theo. I'm a celebrity, get me out of here. Where are you? Oh, this is funny, innit? This ain't nice, mate. I don't actually like this now.
Horrible.
This actually ain't good.
How do we even get back out?
I don't even, mate, imagine where even the fuck are we? What? Oh, God. Shit! Nah, I don't freaking like this. I just don't know where the fuck they are, mate. This is getting like, where are you? Oh, I just can't imagine getting abducted right now. Nice little student. We've lost all our bearings. We don't know where the fuck we are in this woods. This is about the time that they found us. We've still got like 8 minutes. We've got to do this, man. Like, we can't lose. Just keep penetrating the woods. You know that they're just trying to be quiet, but they're not very good.
Oh my god. Should we hold hands? Nah. No, don't hold hands.
Like, I'm not even joking out, like this is actually pranking me out. Like, I really just don't want to do this anymore. Like, where are you? Man, I don't know what the fuck to do. I don't know what to do. I don't want to stand in here any longer. And if we don't find them, bruv, we're going to have to stand in here even longer.
I don't even know how to get out.
Yeah, like, oh my God, bruv. I reckon they're just standing on the path. Because Theo would be like, oh yeah, let's just do it. Like, they're going to think that we're going to go inside of the forest. And they've just gone to the other side of the perimeter. So they're just on the path, sitting there. I reckon that's where they are.
How do we get there?
Oh, mate, because I don't know where we are. Right. Mate, my torch is dying. My torch is dying. Oh my God, did you see that?
I told you it was flickering.
We need to get out, bruv. Look, it's dying. It's dying. Wait, we have to be calm though. We have to be calm. But that torch keeps just going all the way down. And I don't know what the fuck is doing that, because it's meant to have like 6 hours left worth of battery. Mate, we've made it to the other side. Or have we? Where are we? Where are we?
Genuinely no
Where
idea.
are we? But this is where I thought they were hiding. I thought they were going to be up here. This is where I thought they would be. But they're just not. Like, what is this? Oh, we're by the gate. What? Mate, how the fuck have we ended up here? How the fuck did we end up... What the fuck is going on down there?
I was actually terrified in there when that started going, that torch.
Mate, that's the thing. That was literally, you know the way it was slowly just going down? I thought that was going to be it and it was just going to cut out. That shut me up, mate, because that phone torch, you can't see anything in front of you, bruv.
Wait, show how much this phone torch actually does.
Look.
Like,
you cannot see fucking anything, bruv. But why, miraculously, now that we're out of that part, is it okay?
Fucking pussies. They're pussies, mate. They are pussies. We're the alphas. We're fucking alphas.
We've got basically 1 minute. At this point, mate, we've just got to intercept them. We've just got to intercept them. We just can't let them get back to this gate.
where are they going to come from? Okay, so we know for a fact that they walked down straight.
I feel like crying. I really feel like crying, Dan. Why?
Oh, mate, this is actually shitting me up. Like, I just don't want to be here. I want to go home. I want a nice hot chocky. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Let's go left. Is that... I just...
What?
Mate, that sounds like a fucking fight.
Said don't touch me.
No. Wait, you fucking serious?
Yeah, genuinely.
But it's not like a fucking... You know.
No.
Really? Oi. What? Shit! No! 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 Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me?
Where were you?
They fucking made it back. Oh my god. But fuck this, I can't handle it anymore. Like, I'm going home. Like, I don't give a shit. I don't care. I can't handle this.
Going crazy.
Yeah, I don't want to be here, mate. I'm going home.